It's just like release work. What I do as soft tissue work and muscle imbalances, you got to go into your muscle, you got to go into that soft tissue. It's a very aggressive therapy. The more you do it, the better you get. It's not one of those things. I tell people there's no such thing as a quick fix. You actually have to work hard at everything you do if you want to. If you wanted to fix somebody's structure, somebody had a hip hike, a pelvic tilt, anterior rounding in the shoulders, if they had kyphosis, all of that stuff can be fixed over time. Structural imbalances can be fixed, but they have to be attacked aggressively, and you have to do it for a certain period of time to actually, for it to work. So that's what I say about anything you're doing. And this machine is one of those things, like you put it on you, you use it on a day-to-day basis, you will see results, you will see the recovery, you'll see how you feel. Every time I leave here, I feel like a new person, rejuvenated. It's funny, the first time I used this machine in LA, I used it for only 45 minutes. And then I went rock climbing after, and I was absolutely crushing rounds. I was like, what's going on right now? Like, I know I'm strong, and I've always been a very athletic person, but I was absolutely killing it. So my body just felt so rejuvenated, felt so aggressive towards anything I wanted to do at that moment, and responsive too. So really enjoyed it.